Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus SSMS. We'll explore their core functionalities, key advantages, and ideal use cases to help you decide which tool best suits your database development and administration needs. Understanding their distinct purposes is crucial for optimizing your workflow. This comparison will provide a clear overview of each environment, ensuring you make an informed choice for your projects. VS Code shines as a versatile, lightweight code editor, perfect for many programming tasks. Its extensive marketplace offers thousands of extensions, enabling support for virtually any language, including SQL. It's highly customizable, allowing you to tailor your environment precisely. Plus, it's known for its efficiency, often using less than 200 megabytes of RAM, making it very responsive on most systems. SSMS is the go-to integrated development environment for managing SQL Server. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for database design, querying, and debugging, specifically tailored for Microsoft SQL Server. You'll find robust features for performance tuning, monitoring, and administration, making it ideal for handling complex database environments and often managing terabytes of data with ease. Choosing between VS Code and SSMS depends on your primary role and project requirements. If you need a lightweight, cross-platform editor for occasional SQL tasks or general development, VS Code is excellent. However, for deep SQL Server administration, complex database development, and performance tuning, SSMS remains the industry standard. Often, these two powerful tools can even complement each other in a comprehensive workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.